The ocean's depths hold a dark secret. Underwater landslides that shake the seafloor with the force of 1,000 earthquakes. Deep beneath the waves, the ocean floor is a tapestry of mountains and valleys, with towering peaks and deep trenches. These underwater landscapes are shaped by the constant movement of tectonic plates, which slowly push the seafloor apart or together. The result is a complex system of faults and fissures, waiting to unleash their fury in a catastrophic landslide. But that's not the strangest part. These landslides can occur with little warning, sending shockwaves through the seafloor that can be felt for miles. It's like a massive, slow-motion earthquake, with the ground shaking beneath the waves. Imagine a landslide that's so massive, it can move a mountain-sized chunk of the seafloor in a single catastrophic event. This phenomenon occurs when the weight of the overlying sediment becomes too great, causing the seafloor to collapse. In 1969, when humans first began to explore the ocean floor, they discovered evidence of these massive landslides. Since then, scientists have been studying these events, trying to understand the triggers and consequences. But wait until you hear what comes next. These landslides can have a profound impact on the ocean's ecosystem, affecting the delicate balance of species and habitats. For centuries, the ocean has been a source of fascination and wonder, with its vast expanse of blue water and mysterious creatures. Yet beneath the surface lies a hidden world of danger and uncertainty, where underwater landslides can strike without warning. The consequences of these events can be devastating, with entire ecosystems being disrupted or even destroyed. It's like a domino effect, where the loss of one species can have a ripple effect throughout the entire food chain. But scientists are working to understand the mechanisms behind these landslides. In order to predict and prepare for these events, they use advanced computer models and real-world data to study the movement of tectonic plates and the behavior of the seafloor. Imagine being able to predict a landslide with the same accuracy that we can predict the weather. This would allow us to issue warnings to ships and coastal communities, saving lives and preventing damage to infrastructure. The impact of underwater landslides is not just limited to the ocean itself, but can also have far-reaching consequences for the global economy. The disruption of shipping lanes and the loss of vital resources can have a significant impact on global trade and commerce. But that's not the only way that these landslides can affect us. They can also release massive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This can have a profound impact on the global climate, exacerbating the effects of climate change and making it even more difficult to mitigate. The ocean is a complex and fragile ecosystem, and underwater landslides are just one of the many threats that it faces. By studying these events and working to understand the mechanisms behind them, we can better protect the ocean and its inhabitants. In fact, the study of underwater landslides is a critical area of research, with scientists working to develop new technologies and strategies for mitigating their impact. The consequences of inaction are severe. A single massive landslide can release enough energy to level a city. It's a sobering reminder of the power and unpredictability of the ocean, and the importance of respecting its fury. But there is hope. By working together, we can develop the technologies and strategies needed to protect the ocean and its inhabitants. The key is to understand the complex interactions between the ocean, the atmosphere, and the seafloor. Imagine being able to predict and prevent underwater landslides, saving lives and protecting the ocean's delicate ecosystem. This is the goal of scientists working in this field, and it's a challenge that requires collaboration and innovation.
The stakes are high, but the reward is worth it: a safer, healthier ocean that supports life on Earth.
So what can we do to protect the ocean and its inhabitants? The first step is to raise awareness about the importance of this issue and the need for action. By working together, we can develop the technologies and strategies needed to mitigate the impact of underwater landslides. This is a challenge that requires collaboration and innovation, but the reward is worth it: a safer, healthier ocean. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery. Like and comment below with your thoughts on this fascinating topic. And if you want to learn more about underwater landslides and the ocean's ecosystem, be sure to check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.